Want to find out which country an Instagram account is based in? Instagram provides this information for some accounts through the About This Account section. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Before checking someone else's account, let's see where this information appears on your own profile. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now, tap About, then select About your account. Here, you may see information such as when the account was created, the country where the account is based, and previous username changes. Now, let's check another Instagram account. Go back to Instagram and open the profile you want to check. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. From the menu, select About This Account. Here, Instagram may show details such as the account creation date, country where the account is based, and other available account information. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.